What's up, everybody? So, I'm here in my room. It's been a few days since I recorded anything because I really wanted to get my work pretty much situated and taken care of throughout the week. But got it situated. Everything's decently running cool. And now I'm in the process now of actually looking for a home out here and moving the family out here and all that stuff. So it's going to be a lot going on that you guys are going to see soon. A lot of changes and adjustments, but for the most part, they're good ones. So, but come to find out, which I knew this before, but one of Lisi's cousins actually lives out here in Arkansas. So right now, instead of just sitting in my room, somebody's going to come pick me up. So I'm actually go out. I went out a couple days ago just to get a feel of the city. You know what I'm saying? Saw that they're in the location that I'm at. There's a Walmart, there's a Best Buy, there's Toys R Us, there's Popeyes, there's all types of food places around here, Waffle Houses, which we don't have Waffle Houses on the West Coast, but I experienced Waffle House breakfast and it's really good. It's everything that you could think of, all the different Holiday Inns and extended stays, Residence Inn, and all the cool little hotels. It's literally like the center for all the financial people. So all the financial, medical, all those facilities are right here where I'm at. So I would definitely be looking for a property around here. But so yeah, I'm about to go out. I guess they're gonna do like some sort of a barbecue, which I had my Herbalife today. It's over here. So since I have my Herbalife with my bananas today, to start my day, it's okay for me to go enjoy a family barbecue and, you know, take my multivitamin and my total control so I don't eat too much. But yeah, so I'm gonna go out and have a good time, man, and you guys can see it too. So I'm gonna, you know, show you guys how many trees are here. Oh my God. I don't know. I'm gonna take you guys outside so you guys can actually see something. So hold on for a second. It's a pretty bright, humid day, but I'm on the 3rd floor. I think that building right here is some sort of state building. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but it's something to do with the state. And the freeway is pretty much right there. It's a Holiday Inn right across the street, which I ate there yesterday. It's pretty cool and excellent. They have this, they have a restaurant inside of there, and it's really good. Like, and it's revamped too. Like, it looks like a Las Vegas bar. Like, it looks really cool. My office that I work at, literally from here, is right across the street. So they put me in a good location where I'm kind of walking distance to what I need to be attending to and do. So that's a blessing. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and take a shower, get dressed, get ready to go see some family out here, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. Y'all ready? Let's go. Okay, YouTube, there's a fire alarm. Don't know what's going on, but it hurts. It's going on in the rooms and in every room, this way and that way. As I was talking to Lisi on the phone, just noticed that the fire alarm just started going off really bad. So I don't see a fire anywhere.
Are you still in the room?
I'm outside the room.
Oh.
And there's a wasp trying to go into my room. There's a wasp trying to go into my room.
Do you smell fire?
No, I don't smell no fire.
Oh. Don't get burned up, please.
I ain't getting burnt. It ain't even no fire on this side.
You don't know that. It could be a carbon monoxide alarm.
I don't know. Well, YouTube, I didn't do it, so if if it is a fire in here, I promise it wasn't on me. And this is probably hurting you guys' ears, so I'm gonna turn this volume down. But I'm gonna get out of my room now. Babe, let me call you in a minute. Let me grab my important stuff and get out of here.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Ouch, this is hurting. I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Okay, everybody, got out of my room. Come to find out it was a false alarm set by this little girl 2 doors down from me. Her parents are extremely upset because, I mean, as loud as you hear this right now, it's worse in every single room. So, it's a false alarm. But, it's still annoying as hell, though. And I think the fire department's on the way. If you guys can hear that, the fire department's on their way here now. So, I'm about to get picked up soon. So hopefully they come get me before the spot. Woo! I can hear now. But yeah, false alarm sucks. Cause that was extremely ear piercing. And oh, here we go again. Oh yeah, kids, do not touch fire alarms. Do not. If there's a fire, go ahead and pull it. If there's no fire, kids, don't play with fire alarms. It's really not cool. The fire out here be bad too. All these trees. Oh. False alarm. They said it was a false alarm. False alarm, yep. Some little girl pulled the switch. No bueno. No good for my Americans. Or you know what? We all should know bueno by now. You know, you should. Well, at least we know if it really was an emergency, they came here to put it out. But false alarm, that's a waste of their time, because if something was to really seriously be going on right now somewhere else, they're here at some place that doesn't require their attention. So kids, like I said, do not pull alarm switches, because it could really be an emergency happening, and you playing around could cause somebody actually to get hurt. So caught up with the train, y'all.
We in Park. In Park.
It's gonna be a long one. It's all good though. So my people told me the place to go get some Mexican food is this spot called Senor Tequilas. We about to test it out right now.
So like Gatorade and all that's making some money right now.
Yeah,
Absolutely. At the bar right now with my family out here, man. Went, kicked it at the house, played some video games, and now finally having a couple little drinks and stuff before we gotta roll out and go to work tomorrow. So I just want to take y'all with me and experience a few things. Y'all done seen what Arkansas looked like. Y'all seen the trees and the long roads and all that cool stuff. And I'm out here with family and a good job, so I can't complain. So I just want to bring y'all with me. And, you know, for now, that's about it. So I'll see y'all later. All right, peace.